Hey everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Realty, and I'm excited to show you a new townhome that we have up for rent. The address is 2029 Salisbury Square in Winston Salem, and we'll begin by giving you a quick shot of our neighborhood. So this is conveniently located to, it's very convenient to Peters Creek Parkway, Ebert, Clemmonsville Road, also to Interstate 40. Coming in the front door, to the right, you have a coat closet. To the left is the dining room. Just off the dining room is the kitchen. This is a great kitchen. It's nice and open. Nice countertops. You got a tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Includes refrigerator, oven, microwave, and the dishwasher here. And this opens up into a great living area. Living room, you got a small place for another dining table and chairs here. You can put some chairs at this countertop. Tall ceilings, got two skylights, ceiling fan, recessed lights. This is a pantry. And the laundry closet is here, so that's where your washer and dryer hookups are. Through that door goes out to a nice private patio. This is the guest bath and the guest bedroom. This townhome is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Has gas heat, hot water. This is a small closet here. And this is the master bedroom. So this is a good size. Vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. And then this is the master bath. Tile floors, double vanity. It has a great shower. Nice tile shower. A walk-in closet. Then through this door is the patio. Nice and private. Got a small storage closet there. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Realty. If you'd like to view this townhome in person, you can go to our website, rentwinston.com. You can call our office at 336-939-6275, or you can email us at info@srealtynow.com.